Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain a very new feature that Canva has just unveiled, which is how to create captions on your video. So let's say we are on my Canva Pro platform. In here I've logged into my account, and then I'm going to go straight to videos, and I'm going to choose between the available ones. Like you can see, you can do mobile, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and so on, but I'm going to stick with landscape video for now. Now while I'm here, I'm just going to quickly go to upload and go to upload a file. And I'm going to navigate to where I have saved the video I'm going to use for this, and then I'm going to import it in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click to add it to the timeline. Let me play to have a preview of what I am going to be adding the captions on.
Hello and welcome to this channel. Please remember to subscribe to keep enjoying videos like
I hope
this.
you are following this tutorial as it is extremely easy to understand. Don't forget to smash that like.
I have selected the video. I'm just going to come over to text in here, and the new feature I'm talking about is captions, and you can see it down here. So all you need is just to click, and you can see a bunch of different kind of styles that you can use. You can see them from the classic to pixel pop to momentum to clickbait to studio style and so on. You can see so many of them depending on your choice. So for now, you can just select any of the ones that you have in here. Let's say we'll go with this simple one. You have the option to change the coloration if you're interested, as well as the second color that gives it the needed shadow. So for now, I'm going to keep it at default, but if you have a brand coloration, you can as well specify the brand, or you can use gradient color if that is what you are interested in. Now, you can apply to all selected, or you can apply to all videos if you're interested, or to some selected videos that you have within the timeline. So for now, I've selected this, and I'm going to say generate to this. And as you can see, wonderfully, it has added the entire captions to the video that I have. Let me kind of zoom this out. So that we can be able to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see in each case, we have the captions added, and you can play to have a preview also.
Hello and welcome to this channel. Please remember to subscribe to keep enjoying videos like
I hope
this.
you are following this tutorial as it is extremely easy to understand. Don't forget to smash that like button.
Fantastic. If you need to make any edits on the captions, you can just select any of them. You can come over here, you can see the captions in here. You can play around with the different features, the different scripts that you can see. This is all the scripts that you have, and you can have the option in here to come back and select any other one that you're interested in. For example, if you just select this, with just this simple click, it has changed everything. Okay, you can see even in here, you can select this one and it is going to change like that. This one also is going to change like that, and in each case, if you try to play, it is
Enjoying videos like
I hope
this.
you are following this tutorial.
It has changed for everything. So with just one click, you're going to have your captions changed or replaced. Okay, so you have the option to play around with any of this, and with just that simple click, you're done, and you have your captions as you so wish. So now, if you have the caption according to what you want, if this is exactly what you want, you can of course export it. Let me play one more time.
Hello and welcome to this channel.
So if you like what you see and you want to export, you can just come over to share in here, and you can go to download in here, and you can specify MP4, and then go ahead and click on download to download the video to your computer for subsequent usage. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of Canva to add caption as a very new feature that it has introduced in the Canva platform. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Hello and welcome to this channel. Please remember to subscribe to keep enjoying videos like
I hope
this.
you are following this tutorial as it is extremely easy to understand. Don't forget to smash that like button.